Broadband Technology Television.
Hello, I'm Amy Wolf for BTTV. Thanks for clicking in to this special report on adaptive streaming sponsored by Tektronix. Adaptive streaming is all over the trade press right now, and for good reason. It's right at the core of multi-screen video. But what is adaptive streaming and how does it work? And most importantly, what are some of the bugaboos involved? Adaptive streaming is a variable bitrate content delivery method. It's most often associated with video, but can be used with audio files. It's specifically designed to avoid the frequent stops and starts associated with buffering. The object is to provide continuous playout, just like watching regular TV. It also allows portability from one device to another, as from a tablet to a set-top box. The user can pause the content on one device and pick up where he left off on the next device. Streaming means the content plays as soon as it begins arriving at the client device. Contrast this with a download, where the content plays only after the entire file has arrived at the client. A client might be a tablet, smartphone, PC, etc. The adaptive part of adaptive streaming refers to the variable bit rates. The bit rate changes according to the throughput received at the client. More about this in a minute. Adaptive streaming works by breaking the content file into small fragments, typically 2 to 10 seconds each. The length is designed around the buffering in most client devices. It also accommodates group of pictures issues such as scene breaks. The fragments then run sequentially. This is why adaptive streaming is sometimes called fragmented video. Each fragment is encoded at several different bit rates to correspond with throughput at the client. The client notes the actual throughput it's receiving and requests the next fragment at the optimal bit rate for that throughput. The fragmentation or chunking of the content can be done in a few different ways. It's typically done after transcoding and can be done by a piece of hardware or in software on a server. Adaptive streaming does not typically use forward error correction, so it pays to keep a close eye on things. Monitoring quality of experience, or QoE, from the customer's perspective is essential. Impairments are the same as for digital video: freeze frame, pixelation, black screen, and lost or mistimed audio. Because the content is fragmented into short sequences, more than typical care should be taken in the transcoding process. Check video quality both before and after the transcoder. Make sure that the content is suitable for fragmenting or chunking. This includes particular care with group of picture structure and the system timing between the video and audio. Besides pre- and post-transcoding checks, pay close attention to video quality at the ingest server. Garbage in, garbage out still applies. I'm Amy Wolf, and thanks for watching. Thanks to our sponsor, Tektronix.